Okay, once again, this is Raj Verma with you with our uh, educational channel Knowledge Station. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel if you like the videos, if you like the content. Right? Well, today I'm going to give you the very special trick of finding the trigonometric values of higher angle, bigger angles. In last class, we discussed how to find the trigonometric values of different angles up to 90 degrees. Do you remember that? Yes. Today I'm going to teach you how to find the values, trigonometric values. Metric values of higher angles. Yes. Trigonometric values of higher angles. If someone asks you what is the value of sine 1500 degree, what will be your answer? If someone asks you what is the value of tan 1210 degree, what will be your answer? Right? So these kinds of angles, very complicated. It seems like very complicated, but it's very simple. I'll give you the simple trick that works everywhere, anytime, anywhere. Right? Well, before we proceed to the topic, I have to give you some basic. Before we solve some problems, I'll give you some basic informations. Just look here. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis, as you all know. First, you should know some rules. As we call this one first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. As you see here, x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is positive. So all the, if you, for example, even if you draw one triangle over here, this is positive, all are positive. So obviously here, all the ratios are going to be positive. It means all positive. It means sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. All of these ratios are positive. Here, what you have to understand is only sine and cosec are positive. Here you have to understand tan and cot are positive. And in this quadrant you have to understand cos and sec are positive. Okay? Once again, this is 0 degree, this one is 90 degree, this one is 180 degree, this one is 270 degree, and 360 is same as 0. Okay. And the rules over here are, these are the rules. You have to follow the rules very strictly. Okay. First one, for 90s and 270s, the ratio will change. Change the ratio. Change the ratio. Change the ratio. Rule number 2, for 180 degree and 360 degree, don't change. Don't change the ratio. Don't change the ratio. And the very important rule number 3 is odd multiples of 90 change ratio, right? And even multiples of 90 don't change. In fact, these rules are already included. These rules are already included over here, because you can see 90s and 270 are odd multiples of 90. 90 into 2, so 90 into 1, 90 into 3. Yeah. So in this case, change the ratio, and same here, odd multiples change the ratio. In this case, as you can see, 180 and 360 are the even multiples. 90 times 2, 90 times 4. So these are the even multiples. Don't change the ratio. See? So these are the basic rules. If you understand these rules, if you keep these rules in your mind, then finish. Any angle, just within minute, within second, you'll find the value. I'll show you how to find the value. Okay? So just see here. One more thing. This is 90. If you add some angles over here, 90 plus theta, you will reach in this quadrant. Yeah, second quadrant. This is 180. So if you subtract 100 theta, 180 minus theta, again you will reach in the same quadrant. So don't be confused. 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta is the same quadrant. That is the first quadrant. Yeah. So second quadrant. Now 90 minus theta means this one, the first quadrant. First. Now this one. Here you can see. If you go that side, 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta this way, or if you come from this side, 270 minus theta is the same, right? If you go this side, 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta is the same. So these rules you have to follow. If you understand these rules very clearly, very clear concept if you're having, then no more problems. No more problems. All the values you can find instantly. Now I'll show you how to find the values. Alright? So let me know this. Don't forget, 90 and 270 degree change the ratio. In 360 degree, don't change the ratio. If you find odd multiples of 90, odd multiples, keep in mind, once again, odd multiples, ratio changes. If you find even multiples, ratio will not change. Ratio will not change for even multiples. Alright? So let's see how to find the values. Alright, example 1. See here, sine 150 degree. Very simple. Sine 150 means break it 90 plus something or standard value. 90 plus 60. See carefully. Sine 90 plus 60 means it's in second quadrant. Right? And sine changes into cos and this 60 as it is. And see this one, what is here? In second quadrant, whatever is here, that one you have to check. Sine is positive in first quadrant, the second quadrant. So cos 60. And that is, what is the value of cos 60? Root 3 by. Simple. Yeah. See, there is other option also. You may also do like this. Sine 180 minus 30. 90 plus 60, which is it? Yeah. And sine 180 minus 30. In case of, sorry, this value, this is 1 by 2. Sorry, it's minus. Yeah. This value sine 180 minus 30. So 180 ratio will not change. I mentioned earlier ratio will not change. It remains sine 30. And that is simply 1 by 2. So you can do either of the way, either this or this. It's very simple. Okay. Now I'll show you another example. Example number 2. Sine 200. Let's say what will be sine? Let's say tan 240. How do you find tan 240? We have the same concept. Tan 240 means simple. 180 plus 60. Break the given angle to the standard values. Standard values means 90, 180, 270 or 360. Very well, whatever possible. Now, tan 180 plus 180 as I showed you before. 180 ratio will not change. So tan remains 10. 60 is 60. Simple. Now just to check the sign, positive or negative. 180 plus theta, look here. This is the boundary line, 180. If you go plus theta over here, plus theta, means you reach in third quadrant. And what about tan in third quadrant? Tan in third quadrant, positive. So that's positive. And tan 60 is root 3. Simple. Right? Hope you are getting the ideas. Now again, I'll show you another example. And as I told you before, this can be done like this also. Tan 270 minus 30 is the same. 270 ratio changes, so cot 30. And again, it's the same quadrant, so that is simple. Okay? Well, now I'll show you how to find the value of the more bigger values, bigger angles. Sine, let's say 960 degree. What will be the value of sine 960 degree? Yes. At this particular question, you have to use that rule, multiple of 90. So it's very simple. 960, just divide this 960 by 90. 10 times 900. Remaining is 60. Right. So 960 can be written as 90 divisor into quotient 90 into 10 plus remainder 60. Right. So what I'm going to do over here is sine 10 into 90 plus 60. Now see, it's very simple. Sine. As I told you, if you see even multiples, don't change the ratio. If you see odd multiples, change the ratio. So since here is even, you can write as it is, no change, sine 60. Clear? Now, what will be the sign over here? Plus or minus? For that, you have to be careful. 10 times 90. See carefully, carefully. The student. 190, 290, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1090 means up to this line. 10 times 90. Now plus 60 means you are crossing this border and you are here in third quadrant. Third quadrant. In third quadrant, what is sign? Negative. Only tan and cos are crossed. So minus. Simple. And minus. What is value of sine 60? Root 3 by 2. So that is the value of sine 960. See, there is one alternative options also. You may do like this also. Sine, instead of writing 10, what you can do is 11 into 90. No problem. 990 minus 30. Right? So here, 11 and 90. Since 11 is odd multiple, the ratio will change. Cos 30. And same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 into 90 means up to this line. Minus 30 means you are coming here again, third quadrant. So it's minus. In third quadrant, sign is negative. So minus. So that is minus cos that is. So this is how you can find any angle, any degree. Hundreds, multiples of 100, thousands, any degree, any angle. No worries. It's very simple. Let me show you one more example finally. You might be having confusion like what ratios we have to change. Like sine, or don't be confused, sine will change into cos and vice versa, okay? Sine will change into cos, tan will change into cot, and sec will change into sec. Sec will change into cosec. So these are the ways. Now also you want bigger value, one more example. How to find the value of tan, let's say 1110 degree. Alright? 1110 degree. How to find this one? Just like before, again. What you can do is simply tan 90 divide 1110 by 90. This one I'm taking 1 are 90, 21 0, 9 2 are 180, so remaining is 30. So 12 times 90. What I'm doing is 12 times 90 plus 30. Okay? Now, since again here is 12 is even multiple. Even. Okay? So ratio won't change. It remains 10. Okay? And then tan 30. What is value of 10? Now for sine you have to be careful. 12 times 90. See careful dear students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 90 means this border. Okay? And plus 30 means you are coming in first quadrant. Here. And in first quadrant, all ratios are positive. So obviously 10 is positive and that is 1 by root. So this is how you find any value of any higher values. Whether it's sine, cos, tan, whatever. It's very simple. Just know the idea, know the trick. You know, trigonometry is very simple. You just need to know how to flow with it. It's very simple. Alright? So hope you understood this. Okay? Hope you understood this. And if you have any confusions, comments, anything to say, please mention in comment box, comments. Okay? And I hope you understood this. And in next video again, I'll be coming with some special tricks like this to find the values. Okay? Till then, keep using these values, these tricks to find the values. I hope it's very much helpful, especially for grade 9, even for grade 10, and even for higher students as well. Alright? So keep watching. Okay? Stay tuned, keep watching, and work hard. Because this is lockdown, you know, the lockdowns are going in every now and then, every here and there. So what you do is study hard at your home. Any confusion, you have lots of ways to learn. Okay, keep watching YouTube videos, and just if you don't know any question, message us. Alright? Well, that's all. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Alright? And please share with your friends. There are many friends who feel that trigonometry is difficult. Make them clear that no, trigonometry is not difficult, it's very easy. Alright? You just need to know the trick. So soon I'll be coming with the next video. Alright? Till then, take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.